Your home's doors play an important role in both security and comfort. They welcome guests, protect your family, and contribute to your home's overall energy efficiency and appearance. But like any part of your house, doors wear down over time, and eventually, every homeowner in Hilliard faces the same question. Should I repair my door or replace it altogether? While repairs can solve certain issues, there are times when a full door replacement is the smarter, longer-lasting choice. Let's take a closer look at the key differences and help you decide which option is best for your home. When door repair makes sense, not every door problem requires a complete replacement. In some cases, a few simple repairs can restore function and appearance. You might only need door repair if you notice minor cosmetic damage, such as small dents, scratches, or chipped paint. Loose or squeaky hinges that can be fixed with tightening or lubrication. Drafts that can be solved with new weather stripping or threshold adjustment. Misalignment due to a slightly warped frame that can be realigned. These issues are typically low cost and quick to fix, making repair a good choice for newer doors or those in otherwise good condition. A local Hilliard door repair professional can often assess the problem and provide an affordable solution on the same day. However, repair is only a short-term solution if the door has significant structural or age-related issues. When door replacement is the better choice if your door is old, damaged, or beyond simple repair, a replacement may be the better long-term investment. Here's when replacing your door makes more sense. Severe structural damage, cracks, rot, or warping can compromise the door's strength and security. Energy inefficiency. Older doors often allow air leaks, raising your heating and cooling costs. Moisture damage. Florida's humidity and rain can cause wooden doors to swell or decay. Rust or corrosion. Metal doors that have rusted or pitted lose both appearance and integrity. Outdated style. If your current door detracts from your home's curb appeal, a new design can modernize your entire entryway. New doors, especially modern fiberglass, steel, or insulated wood models, are engineered for long-term durability. They resist weather, enhance energy efficiency, and provide superior security, all critical factors for homeowners in Hilliard's coastal climate. The cost and value comparison on the surface. Repairs may seem cheaper, but they can add up over time. Repeatedly fixing a door that's near the end of its lifespan can cost more than replacing it outright. A professional door replacement typically involves a higher initial cost but offers long-term value. New doors improve insulation, reduce energy waste, and enhance home security, benefits that pay for themselves over time. Additionally, modern entry doors can increase your home's curb appeal and resale value. According to remodeling studies, homeowners often recover a large portion of their investment when selling a home with upgraded exterior doors. For many Hilliard homeowners, that makes replacement not just a maintenance decision, but a smart financial move. Security and peace of mind. Your door is the gateway to your home, and security should never be compromised. Older doors with worn frames or outdated locks can make your home more vulnerable to forced entry. Replacement doors often include multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass, offering far better protection. For families in Hilliard, where weather and security are top concerns, these upgrades provide both safety and peace of mind. Choosing the right solution for your home. The best way to decide between repair and replacement is to consult a professional door specialist. An expert can inspect your door, assess the extent of damage, and recommend the most cost-effective option based on your home's condition and budget. If your door still has a few good years left, a targeted repair may do the trick. But if it's drafty, outdated, or structurally compromised, replacing it now can save you time, money, and energy in the long run. Final thoughts for Hilliard homeowners. Choosing between door repair and door replacement ultimately comes down to longevity, efficiency, and peace of mind. A simple repair might patch things up temporarily, but a professional replacement offers modern performance, improved comfort, and a beautiful upgrade that lasts for decades. If you're unsure which is best for your home, contact a trusted Hilliard door replacement expert for an inspection and honest guidance. With the right solution, your home will stay secure, energy efficient, and inviting for years to come.